This is the blind after I cleaned a section with the formula that I'm gonna talk to you about. Very greasy, dirty, old kitchen blind that I wanted to save. Huge difference. So I'm gonna show you how I clean this. So the items needed for this cleaning process is a scrubbing sponge. I need a microfiber towel, a wet one, and then a dry one. My homemade dishwasher liquid that I make myself, and I'll show you what the ingredients are. All you do is just dip your sponge just like that. All you need is a little dot, and then you're gonna start cleaning, and it's gonna be hard for me to do it with one hand. You see how the dirt is coming off with ease. I still have the blind on the window. Once you clean it with the detergent, then you have a clean, wet microfiber cloth that you're just gonna wipe off the detergent. And again, this is so hard to do just with one hand, but you see how the remainder of the detergent was wiped off, just like that. And I'm just doing a small area to show. And lastly, you're going to take a clean microfiber cloth and just dry it off so you don't have streaks. So I don't know how you can see this, but I did clean that spot right there. This area here. Okay, now in the meantime, while I am cleaning just the vinyl part, I also try to clean the ropes, because I'm sure those are picked up a lot of dirt as well. Okay, so let's go into the formula. What's in here? The recipe for my dishwasher liquid requires 3 ingredients. One is washing soda, Borax, and some kind of liquid, dishwashing liquid, or what I use is Lysol, that you would have to dilute for cleaning, and I like it because it has lemon in it, and it's disinfective as well. But anyhow, this is just an extra that I add. So the amounts for 1 quart of liquid, it would be 1/3 cup of washing soda, 1/3 cup of Borax, and then I dilute it with water to make it a quart. Mix it up. And then add your Lysol or any kind of dishwasher soap, just a little bit. I would say 2 or 3 tablespoons. And then pour this liquid into a container that you're going to be able to dose it for your dishwasher or for your cleaning needs. Don't touch this with your bare hand. You really should wear gloves if you're going to use this for cleaning with a rug or anything else. Otherwise, just put it into your dishwasher I usually put about 2 tablespoons of this liquid into the dishwasher, so it lasts for a while. So cost-wise, it probably cost me less than $1 to make a big bottle of dishwasher liquid that normally would cost $7-8 in the grocery store these days. That's it.